If you're looking to make a little more money, why not put your typing skills to work? A quick search will tell you there are job opportunities and quite a few typing jobs available. This video will help you put that basic knowledge to work. It will cover everything from the right jobs to the pay range you can expect. You might not achieve financial freedom with these, but many are a solid way to make some cash. Can you earn money typing? Yes, you can make money this way. There are several opportunities listed below. These jobs pay differently based on your typing skill level. This means fewer typing errors, which you should be aware of when taking into account overall typing statistics. Make cash typing online through project work. Or you can boost your bank account with a series of very short tasks. There are major companies and small businesses looking for people who can type online. Here's some online typing job options that will make you extra money. Data entry jobs are considered entry level. Some of these jobs require previous data entry experience. Some have an accuracy standard that can be as high as 98%, plus a minimum for the number of words per minute. This is an online typing gig where you need to corral data from different sources. Get paid between $12.98 and $22.84 per hour. You might find employment through protective service agencies in your area or private companies. There are different types of transcription jobs to choose from. Some of them where you get paid to type include medical transcription, meetings and phone calls. Quite often, selling small transcription services means working within your client's guidelines. General transcriptionist positions pay the least. A company pays more for work in legal and medical arenas. Be warned. You might need some background in legal terminology. You'll also need good English skills and a minimum typing speed of 70 words per minute and a good internet connection. These typing services pay about $15 an hour. Convert speech from an audio recording into text. These can include audio files and video files. Journalists use this service for interviews, and video editors for subtitles and captions. The base rate is $1 per audio minute. This is an online job where you can earn money by typing and performing a few other duties. These include such tasks as basic data entry and even answering phone calls. Beyond data entry work, virtual assistants can work at typing websites, or they might even transcribe songs. Handwritten documents. There are several requirements when you want to type handwritten documents. Turning freehand notes into electronic documents might require special knowledge in a certain area. The client might want the handwritten version left with misspellings and errors. You can get paid for printed matter too. Human intelligence tasks. Basically, you'll be answering questions. Get paid to finish a virtual task. It's another way to make money on the web. Rating photos and typing in assessments is an example. Typing CAPTCHAs also qualifies. Order entry clerk. You need to take orders and enter them into the system. Email copies to the proper managers too. Such jobs are often full-time. They can pay to up $34,000 yearly. Because I am feeling generous, I am going to tell you which companies pays you to type. Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is basically a crowdsourcing marketplace. Turk offers up some micro jobs that include typing work. Examples include moderating Google Docs and social media content. Get paid via an Amazon gift certificate or a US bank account. Good transcript. This company offers general transcription jobs. That generally works out to about 60 cents per minute. Get paid via PayPal. Transcribeam. Some people can earn up to $2,200 a month here. Or, others make $250 for a few hours a month. Another one of the typing jobs online that's PayPal paid. What equipment do you need to make money typing online? A profitable online typing gig requires good equipment. Here's a few of the things you need to have if you are serious about wanting to get paid to type. High-speed internet. Look for good bandwidth and security. Having excellent internet access also means having a high-end router. A good laptop or PC. You'll need one that can handle basic word processing and the ability to run multiple programs. This isn't an area to save money. A great headset. This is important if you want to earn money online. Find a product that cancels out background noise. How much money can you make typing? The bottom line is how much you get paid to type when you're working on the internet. Word processing usually pays between $7 to $40 an hour. A transcription job usually comes in around $15 to $45 per hour. The average monthly earnings for a typing job works out to almost $4,000. Top earners can make as much as $7,250 per month. At the other end of the scale, these jobs pay around $2,416 per month. That's it for today's video. Subscribe, like and share for more videos on how to make money online.